Welcome to the Ottolenghi Test Kitchen. My name is Jens and today I want to show you how to bake an amazing cake out of the book Sweet by Yotam, Ottolenghi and Helen Go. And it's going to be the Passionfruit cheesecake with pineapple compote. We have 3 easy steps to go through. We're going to blitz together our base crumb. We're going to prepare our cream cheese mixture for the cheesecake. While we put that together and bake it, we're going to prepare our pineapple compote. We're just gonna cut up some pineapple, make a caramel, throw everything together, let it all cool down, combine it and finish it off with the pineapple compote on top. And that's basically it. Super easy cake. Let's get started. Okay, first up we're going to preheat our oven and then we prepare our cake rings. So let's melt our butter. Then we blitz together our digestive biscuits, almonds and spices. When they're blitzed together, we just combine it with the melted butter and then we spoon it into our cake rings. If you don't want to use a spoon, just take a little bit of cling film, some hairspray, prepare it like this. Brilliant, that's it, in the fridge. Okay, now we're going for the cheesecake filling. We're going to take our cream cheese, our sugar, put it into the machine and mix it on medium speed just until it's nice and smooth. Then we're going to add our sour cream. We also just add that in and combine it. The next is going to be the eggs and the egg yolks, just until it's combined. And at last we're going to add the passionfruit juice, which gives the whole cheesecake the flavor, the best thing about it. So the cheesecake mix is done. Let's put it in our rings and bake it. Alright, the cheesecake is in the oven now. Let's prepare our pineapple. We're gonna cut it into 1 centimeter cubes. We toss it in our spices and then we're just gonna roast it in the oven. Cheesecake is cooling down now. The pineapples are nicely roasted and ready. Next up we're going to do a dry caramel. We're going to put the sugar into our pan and we're just gonna heat it up on medium heat very carefully, and we want it to be light and nice and golden brown. Alright, the caramel is ready. Now we're going to put in our roasted pineapple. Alright, the pineapple compote is ready now. Next up, we're going to take out our little cheesecakes. We're just gonna run a knife around the ring. We're gonna take the ring off and then we're gonna dust the top. Then we're gonna put it on a separate plate and then we're gonna plate it up with our pineapples on top and make it look pretty. One for the chef. Alright, this is it. This is the passionfruit cheesecake with spiced pineapple compote on top. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a recipe from the book Sweet from Yotam, Ottolenghi and Helen. You should definitely give it a try, and thanks for watching. See you later.